Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process to use coins on AliExpress. So if you're wondering how, you may just head over and follow the steps for that. Start by opening up AliExpress for that on your device and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And once you are logged in, all you gotta do is you can tap on the coins button, which is usually found in the top left corner of the home page. So from your home page, right below the explore option, you can find an option called coins. Tap on it. And once you tap on coins, you will be led towards the coins page. So here, wait for this page to load up. And from here, you can scroll down the page to find the items that are eligible for the coins discount. There we go. So the page appears like this. And right below here, you will be finding a bunch of items available that you can use for coin discounts. So here it will show you the available coins that you have. We have viewed, top selling, and different other products available. So all you gotta do is basically find the product where you would like to use it. Like here, so we have this section with different discounts available. You can find with different products what a coin does. So if we use a coin, we can get -1% off, about 2 to 3%. You can look out for the one that you prefer and select the product. Once you select the product, you can just go over and proceed to checkout. So you can add it to cart or tap on buy now. And once you do so, you can continue the process. After that, you can just go over and complete the order confirmation, and the discount amount will be in the account summary with the coins applied, and that is it. So if you also want to use coins on AliExpress, you may follow up this method for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.